freezing fog has swept across parts of the UK, causing widespread disruption at major airports as hundreds of thousands prepare for Christmas getaways. Temperatures across parts of the UK fell to 4.5°C overnight, resulting in a number of early morning departures out of Heathrow, Gatwick and London City airports being either delayed or cancelled. Commuters make their way through heavy fog on the A40 in West London. Heathrow Airport is currently experiencing an average delay of 10 minutes, with 62 flights cancelled already. London City Airport has 6 cancellations and an average delay of around 20 minutes. The freezing conditions and poor visibility mean both Heathrow and City feature in the world's top 10 most delayed airports today. British Airways tweeted, "We're sorry that freezing fog forecast for Tuesday, December 19th has caused us to cancel some short-haul flights. Customers on short-haul flights which are operating may change their booking. Flights to Spain and Ireland have been hit with delays, with a number of Scottish, German and Italian routes also experiencing cancellations." Southwest News Service: a fog bow was spotted in the skies this morning, a striking sunrise over Tuesley Farm in Godalming, Surrey. British Airways cancelled at least 49 departing and 49 arriving flights at Heathrow. In a statement, the carrier said forecast fog and freezing conditions across parts of southern England and northern Europe meant a slight reduction in our short-haul flight schedule this morning. "We know that this is an important time for many families to travel, and we are very sorry for the disruption to some of our customers' journeys." Passengers who were due to fly to or from European destinations on Tuesday will be able to change their travel plans and rebook onto alternative flights up until Friday. The travel chaos is expected to affect an estimated 20,000 people ahead of the festive weekend. Extremely poor visibility at Manchester Airport yesterday evening saw all flights suspended. Heathrow Airport said a small number of flights were cancelled in advance due to poor visibility at the West London hub. A spokeswoman said this decision was made in partnership with air traffic control provider NATS as a last resort to ensure safety. Sunrise over Sheerness in Kent this morning following a heavy blanket of freezing fog overnight, she added regrettably. This may result in some passengers experiencing disruption to their journeys today, and we advise they check flight status with airlines before traveling to the airport. As always, Heathrow's top priority is the safety of our passengers, and we apologize to those whose travel may be impacted by the weather. A frosty morning in East Sussex today following widespread freezing fog overnight. Manchester Airport was forced to ground dozens of services as freezing conditions swept across the northern city. No flights were able to take off or land at the North of England hub for several hours on Monday evening, as one runway was shut due to fog and another closed for emergency maintenance. It was a cold, bright and crisp morning in the New Forest following hard overnight frost and clear skies. The extreme conditions are expected to last throughout the day, although the Met Office is yellow weather warning for the East Midlands, the east of England, London and the southeast, northwest England, southwest England, Wales and the West Midlands was lifted shortly before midday. The overnight frosty temperatures resulted in a rare weather phenomenon in the Scottish West Highlands this morning. Roads in North London turn icy following sub-zero overnight temperatures. Eagle-eyed photographers noticed a fog bow forming beside the lock bar on Rannoch Moor at sunrise. Similar in some aspects to a traditional rainbow, a fog bow forms when sunlight interacts with tiny water droplets contained in fog, mist or clouds rather than larger raindrops. These droplets, usually less than 0.1 mm in diameter, cause light to diffract and thereby appear devoid of color, which is why fog bows are often called white rainbows. A woman scrapes off her icy windscreen in Littlehampton following freezing temperatures overnight. Brighter spells are expected in the south and southeast of England later in the day, although patches of freezing fog and mist are expected on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Overnight temperatures are expected to remain above freezing, with a forecast low of 2°C in the south as patchy rain moves in from the west. Brighter conditions are expected in the north of England and Scotland, with highs of 13°C expected in the West Midlands later today. Emir Khan hit with abuse and a death threat for putting up a Christmas tree. Family told to give neighbours £600,000 house in Planning Row over just 3 inches. Jihadi bomb attack on Christmas market was just days away. Tributes to actress who voiced Daphne in Scooby-Doo for 33 years. TV presenter sparks outrage after posing with slaughtered mountain lion cops. Called as parents claim head teacher told kids their nativity was rubbish. In Devon, a major road traffic accident has left one teenager dead and another fighting for his life after their vehicle careered off the A39 near Truro and hit a tree. It is not yet known if the foggy conditions played a factor in the crash, which happened shortly before midnight. Localized closures remain in place as investigations into the incident